keep moving it from the center.
Yeah. Well, we keep trying to go get like the best line that we can and apparently just keep
I think it's actually pretty ingenious because as we keep moving the obstacle, we have to change our lines.
Yeah, and I like it a lot. I think we should have, I think the next time we should do one with 2 obstacles.
2 obstacles?
Yeah, on like opposite side of the course. And that would like slowly change the track formation.
I mean, that's kind of like the anime.
I have an idea actually. What if we have like a ball, like a soccer ball or like a volleyball?
Yeah.
And we have to loop around it?
Yeah.
But we can also accidentally hit it or hit it on purpose.
Yeah.
And so it's rolling, it'll change different places on the track. So it'll make it interesting.
Wait, we have to hit it or we have to go around it?
We have to go around it, but you know, clearly we do hit it, sometimes on accident, sometimes strategically. Mm-hmm. But you still have to loop around it wherever it is on the track.
Okay.
What do you think? Or it could be a tennis ball because, you have a tennis ball?
I don't have a tennis ball. But I have something else. This is why it disappeared. Find it.
Oh, you're missing the introduction of the
V machine?
The V machine.
I've seen this countless times.
Oh, that might work. Yeah, it's super light, so it doesn't, A, it won't hurt the car. B, it's gonna get launched everywhere.
It's like playing.
So it's meaning
There's video
billiards.
games. Isn't there like
I
forgot the name.
Yeah, me too, but I know what you're talking about. So we have to loop around it. And then when we get better at it, we can just throw more of these in, like 2 or 3. I think more than that would be a little insane, but... Oh, this can actually be pretty challenging.
It's that soccer with cars game. I forgot what it's called.
Yeah. This might make things a little too hard.
Yeah. Well, it's really light, so.
No, but just getting around it is difficult.
We're just gonna put that ball there.
What? Here?
No, wherever. It's just gonna be, that's the starting point, and then.
Yeah, see it?
Oh, I keep missing it.
So you gotta loop around it. I think it might be a little too down. Yeah, isn't that the point? Or you want to make it that you just avoid it?
We can still hit it, right?
Yeah, but
I think we should avoid it.
just avoid it?
Yeah.
But if we hit it, well, what's that gonna do? Nothing.
Okay. No, actually, I think it has to serve a purpose.
Yeah.
So we have to do the loop around it.
I think it's too. Oh, that's gonna be too hard.
But then if it's in the corner, then.
You know what? I think we should start easy. This is a good enough idea.
Yeah.
And like, cause it doesn't just roll everywhere, and it's still in the centered area where we can move around. This is gonna move too many places.
Okay.
And just be too much of a mess. Nice pass to yourself. Actually, we should totally set up, not today, but another day, 2 goals. And just, soccer it up.
What's that game called? I keep
Turbo something. Rocket League.
Rocket League, there you go. Which has nothing to do with rockets.
No, they have rockets.
They have rockets in the cars?
Yeah, you can boost and stuff.
Why not just call it car socket?
Whoa.
Okay, let's
Let's get rid of that.